Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Master course. In this lecture we are going to learn everything about Canva templates. Templates are one of the Canva most powerful feature because they help you to create professional design in just few minutes. Whether you are designing social media posts, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, flyers or business card, templates can save you a lot of time and efforts. By the end of this lecture, you will learn how to use Canva. Not how to use Canva, what is Canva templates, search for Canva templates, use templates, filter, replace template, customize template, professional. So let's set it. Number one, what is Canva templates? Yeah. A Canva template is a pre-designed template created by professional designers that you can easily edit and customize according to your own need. Instead of designing everything from scratch, Canva provides ready-made templates where you can only need to replace text, images, color, and other elements. Templates make designing faster, easier, professional, beginner-friendly. Think of templates are ready-made designs that only need your professional touch. Where you can find template. There are two methods to find template. Number one is at Canva homepage. You will see the search bar. Simply type the design do you want to create, like Instagram post. Press enter. Canva will display 100 or even thousands of templates here. So look here, Canva display a lot of designs. So select one. I will select this design. Now click on Canva, customize this template, and it will show you template that you can edit by yourself. This is method number one. Okay, now method number two is select create or select a blank page. I will select Instagram post and here it will show me a blank page. The template section will appear automatically when your browser and apply templates directly to your design. I will see minimal coffee logo. And from here I will select this design. Oh, it's Pro. This one I will select, okay? Now, how can you search for your template? There are two methods of finding templates that we have done. Now, point 3 is searching for templates. For the better result, always use specific keyword. For example, instead of searching logo, you have to search minimal coffee logo. Instead of searching poster, search fitness post promotion poster. Now third one is search of Instagram. Instead of Instagram posts, search fashion sale Instagram post. Now, like I have searched minimal coffee logo. Again, I will search fitness promotion poster. Okay, fitness promotion post presenter. Now I will add the page and select the template from here. Now third, point number 4 is using template filter. Some Canva show thousands of templates. To narrow down the result, use filters. Filter help you quickly to find perfect template. Some common filters are 3 templates, pro templates, like then see this is pro template and this is free template. Style, like I think no, I was like green, select this color and change the color. Okay, you can change the style and anything you want to change, like I have to gym fitness new member only 3 months free, first month free, 9 months. 19 months, not 2 months. Okay. For example, if you want to use free template, simply enable your free filter. Let me enable my filter. So, okay. See all. These all are free. And now I will search professional, and the crown on the posters are paid, other are free. Okay, this is the difference with of pro templates and free templates. Preview a template. Before using a template, you can preview it clicking on any template. Like I have previewed a template by clicking this, and then I have selected my template. You can add different pages, like I have added different pages, colors, like we can change the colors. Oh, let's see. Chocolate, no. This one is better. Applying a template. After selecting the template, click Customize the template. Like we have done this, we have customized the template. Now, you are ready to edit everything according to your need. Like if you want, I want to replace the pictures element. And I will here search girls. Photos, graphics. Now this one I will place here, and this one I will place. Double click on it and select the double click and select. Okay. Customizing a template. Now come on the most important part, customizing the template. Change the text, click on text box, and everything you can do to customize your template. Like I have customized my template by replacing the pictures, and here I have replacing some the text and other things. You can also change the color, like I have done, change my color. Replace, you can do everything, replace element, and redesigning and rechanging, move element by dragging them, resize object using corner handle, keep proper spacing between all the object use, the Canva alignment guide for a clean layout. Okay. Now, I will give you some professional tips. Here more some professional looking designer. Use only 2 to 3 fonts. Keep your color palette consistent. Use high quality image. Don't overcrowd the design. Leave enough space, white space, and align all elements properly. Add your logo or branding. Always preview your design before downloading. No common mistakes that beginner do. Copy the templates without editing. Use 2 more fonts using random colors. Scratching image, ignoring alignment, filling every empty space. Remember, templates are meant to inspire you, not to copy you exactly. Today practice activity, your practice activity. Now it's your turn. Create an Instagram post using a Canva template, like I have used Mrs. Instagram post, selecting not this empty. You can write Instagram post, and then you have to select any post and change the title, replace the image, change the color, add your own logo, customize the background. And then download or design it in PNG, like share, download PNG, select PNG, and then download. Okay. Summary of today's lecture is we have learned about what is templates, Canva templates, how to find Canva templates, how to search Canva templates, how to use template filter, how to preview templates, how to apply, how to replace, best design tips, some common mistake that beginners should avoid. Congratulations, now you have how to Use Canva templates by professional designer practicing using different templates every day to improve your designing skills. And straight in this lecture, you will explore another powerful Canva feature to make your design even more creative. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. If you have any confusion, let me know in comment section. I will surely reply you. I will see you in lecture number 9. Allah Hafiz.